Come on in.
Don't forget about the holiday video later.
Who is that?
Well, it's you, Storm. How are ya? Wow! Look at all the amazing hands-on learning and practical experiences our students had this year. Incredible! This year, students, faculty, and staff really came together as a community to foster belonging and advance Indigenous ways of knowing and being at SLC. We had such a great start to the new school year. So many faculty and staff participated in orientation events to help welcome our students to all of our campuses. I'm so proud of the work we've done with our communities. You know, these efforts have really fostered meaningful connections and helped to make a positive impact. 2023 saw record attendance at our Tri-Campus Open House events. You know, it's always such a great time meeting prospective students, their families, and friends. Our teams, they put on so many great events this year. They really helped our students develop friendships, leadership skills, and make the most of the SLC experience. Wow, SLC's Global Marketing Recruitment Conference, I couldn't believe it. There were members there from over 16 different countries. And we celebrated the most wonderful time of the year in person, as we had over 5,600 graduates this past year from convocation, from our Brockville, Kingston, Cornwall, and our partner colleges, Alpha and Canadian College. Our global alumni network has grown to over 120,000 grads. Wow, Storm. We really accomplished a lot of things this year. It's so incredible.
Who is it?
Hey Glenn, you done the speech yet? It's time for hockey.
Glenn?
Who is it?
Are you ready to give your holiday speech?
You know, Lindsay, it's been such a great year. I'm ready. Hello, folks. We have so much to be proud of, and even more to look forward to in the coming new year. Whatever part of the SLC community you are, whether you are one of our incredible students, our remarkable faculty, a dedicated employee, one of our valued alumni, or an inspiring community partner, we thank you for a terrific year and wish everyone a wonderful holiday season full of light, laughter, and joy.